A lot of us hit download without a second thought, but one wrong click can lead to malware, data loss, or worse. So today, I'll walk you through the best practices for safe downloading and installing software to keep your devices secure. Let's dive in. Always download from official sources. First, always go to the official website or a trusted platform to download software. Avoid third-party sites offering free versions or cracked software, as these can often be riddled with malware. Whether it's an app store or a developer's website, make sure you're getting the software straight from the source to minimize risk. Verify the website URL. Before you download, double-check the website's URL. Fake sites often look very similar to legitimate ones, with only slight differences in the address. Look for HTTPS in the URL, as well as the padlock icon, which indicate the site is secure. Scan the file for malware. Once you've downloaded the software, don't install it immediately. These steps might take a few extra minutes, but they're worth it for peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while downloading.